Hello guys, it's me again, April Talia. Tonight, I decided to give myself some time alone. After namin gawin yung project namin dito sa isang subject, sabi ko sa sarili ko, deserve ko naman siguro ng kahit kaunting time para makapag-isip-isip, kahit sandali lang. And ang dami talaga namin gawain this month. Kaya I thought, bakit hindi ko i-treat yung sarili ko kahit simple lang. That's why I came here at our night market in Vincent's, Camarines Norte. Different stall ang yung makikita mo. Masasarap na street foods and syempre yung lively atmosphere. Simple lang siya, pero nakakagaan sa pakiramdam, especially kapag nagsosolo ka lang. Madalas ko kasing naiisip na doing something alone keeps me more at ease and comfortable. Just walking around, observing the lights, the people, and the noise of my surroundings. In this kind of situation, parati kong naiisip na, if we are tired, just take a time to have a break. Lahat naman tayo may sariling kwento, struggle, and pangyayari sa buhay. And to be honest, I often enjoy being alone in situation like this. Mas gusto ko talaga minsan yung ganitong vibe. Yung ako lang, tahimik, and enjoying the moment. Wala kang iisipin na iba kundi sarili mo lang and yung mga nakikita mo sa paligid mo. Here I am now, enjoying the food alone. Pero honestly, eating alone doesn't mean you're lonely. For me, this is a self-care. Having this quiet time helps me recharge, reflect, and appreciate the little things in my life. Masarap din yung walang kausap minsan, just me and my food, habang nakatingin sa paligid. Ganito yung simple practices na hindi natin madalas napapansin, pero malaking tulong sa mental health natin. Spending time alone teaches how to enjoy your own company, how to listen to yourself, and how to rest. So always remember guys, self-care doesn't need to be fancy. Sometimes, a solo walk and a simple sightseeing is already enough. That's why don't be afraid to spend time with yourself, kasi at the end of the day, you deserve peace, happiness, and care, even from yourself. So that's all. Sana may natutunan kayo sa vlog na to.